Here we are, back, and I don't know where I left off with filming, but I noticed I stopped filming every single bit that we did. Probably because we are doing so many tiny bits here and there. Finishing up such a huge project just became a very tedious task for me, for us here. And yeah, things just kept adding up. I had to fix some of the programming. I had to reprogram the sync interface last night because it stopped working. I messed something up when programming all the other interfaces, the cabling, the racks. We added fans. There were so many tiny little things here and there that just kept adding up and also got me kind of frustrated, and that's probably why I stopped filming, because for me it was just feeling like, okay, I want this to end and I want to have a working studio again. Now here we are today. Chances are looking good that we're doing the first recording today. We have Tim coming today who will drum for us, and I will just walk you through what we did a bit. Well, here's the console. I have a wireless keyboard now. We have added the panels to it, also on the back side. Let me show you. This is how the console looks like now from the back, all clean. We have the wiring loom here. That's all good. We have the recording rack. We have a tie line between the two racks here. Now we have all the devices here. The pitch bay is fully loaded. Yeah, we did so many things that for me just felt like, okay, we're just doing this one thing here, this one thing there. That's why I had to stop filming everything. But we're getting back to it now. We have the cable running now for the display already. We're going to put the monitors in now. We're going to put the console in place, fire everything up. There's one thing we still have to look at, which is the headphones. That did not work last time. Otherwise, I think we're pretty much good to go. I'll take it with me. Let's do it. Here it is. Best thing about this install, the lamp.
The lamp.
Yes. Oh, it's in place. It fits. We're going to test it now.
Instead of the warm light.
Super, super hyped. Oh, there he is. Just arriving. The drummer's here. We finished it just in time.
Yes.
Nice one. Tim, what you say?
Nice.
Woo, ready.
There it is.
Ready to take off.
Geil, Alter.
Crazy. Crazy. We just rolled it in. Like 5 minutes ago we put it in place.
Nice.
Mit Harmonielicht.
Yeah, with ambient light for living room flavors. The vibe. Okay, here we are after I see my man drumming already. After I failed to initiate the headphone amps in the console, there's only one channel coming out of the interface, which is right now the monitoring interface. This is how it was programmed originally, but the problem is also if I change the volume for the speakers, I change the volume for the headphones. Makes no sense. I tried to program the phones onto another interface, did not work yet, so I will have to do that later. The internal headphones, I will send a line out over to Tim from another interface, and he will have a headphone amp in his room. So what we're going to do first is we will set up mics, plug them in, set up the console, set up preamps, and then see what we God, I am so excited, man. Let's do this. All right. Oh, I'm seeing the first signals
Yes, I see it.
of the dynamic mics. I think the rest needs 48 volts phantom. Let's set it up. Okay. First mic should get phantom.
Da ist er.
Hier habe ich Gain.
Das ist Pegeln.
Schau nur, dass du nicht in der Kamera stehst, bitte. So, hier, achso, ich kann 48 Volt.
Sehr geil.
Geil, wie die singen, die Toms. Cool, danke, Tom 4. Wunderbar, vielen Dank.
Das sind die Overheads jetzt. Terminal.
Genau, das ist die Head-Seite.
Werden die Overheads nochmal rechts, links gedreht? Nee, wa? Ja doch, klar.
Alright, here we are. Channels are set up. Yes, there's one or two ways to and from the booth we have to check. There is the man himself. Everything's routed, everything's coming in Ableton. There it is, coming in. Yeah, everything works super smooth. I have it here in my total mix. I could use EQ and compression now just for monitoring if I wish to. I can decide in my routing if I want to record the inputs directly here to the DAW or if I want to use a direct out with EQ and compression. Everything that I want, really. I have right now the monitoring set up via AUX 1.2 that I set just on the 0 dB post fader. So everything that I kind of set up here from my mix, Tim is having as well. I could change that if I want to. And yeah, that's it for now. I think the only thing that I would wish to know is if I have this kind of setup, how do I either copy a mix or have my panorama be reflected in the stereo aux sending as well. But yeah, that's for later. Super cool, super happy that it works. Let me check the gains here. Anything clipping? No, all super healthy. Looks great. Yeah, my snare drum. Yeah. I want to have my snare drum super hot. It just sounds better. There it is. Cool. Okay, we are recording for Tim now. This is his laptop with Cubase on it. He brought some backing tracks. I tried to test something and fucked up. Look, I probably, by moving this around to check if the units get warm, I ripped out a cable on the back. Probably it's all saying error, so that's stuff I will have to fix. Let's see when. All in all, yeah, I really like the performance. I will play you a mix of what we recorded. Everything that I listened back to here on the board just sounds fantastic. Tim has got his own monitor mix now. If I go on aux 1, he now has a pre-fader mix set up. I'll probably fine-tune it with him. If I now switch here, this is the mix we're listening to. Let's see what he says.